Hello, this is Lakshmi Iyer with Sitare TV, and we are here on the final day of TiCon 2024 at the Santa Clara Convention Center. And we have the honor of having with us today Ms. Surashri Rahane. Did I pronounce your name right?
Yes, you did. I know it is difficult, but you did a great job.
Thank you. And she is from SPTI. So this is a very, very interesting organization, and I will let Surashri talk more about this.
Yeah, so the organization is STPI, which is Software and Technology Park of India. It is a part of the Ministry of Electronics and IT from the Government of India. It supports companies which are into technology and software. And I myself am a startup founder and CEO. I have this company, Yearbook Canvas, and we have tech products for education institutions to build communities with their students and with their alumni. And we were lucky enough that STPI chose us to be a part of the 23 startup delegation that they have selected from across the country to represent the Indian startup ecosystem in TiCon Silicon Valley. And let me say I had a fabulous experience in the last 2.5 days. Now the last day is going on and I'm really excited and looking forward to that.
Thank you so much, Surashri. So I see that the government of India has really encouraged a lot of startups in recent times. I was attending the panel the other day on Exponential India, Growth India. So do you have any comments for our US audience regarding Indian startups, even people who are not of Indian origin but would like to invest in India?
So I think the Indian startup ecosystem is booming currently. We have so many amazing startups, including startups in AI and ML coming out from the Indian startup ecosystem. And the government is supportive. It is extremely supportive. Like we ourselves have received funding from the ministry just a couple of months ago in February of 2024. And yeah, I think there is a lot of support from education institutions, from the ecosystem, and from the government, not just in terms of funding, but in terms of the right acceleration program, the right mentorship, as well as giving us exposure to the global market. So this program is for global connections and international connections, and that is where we have come here. And after coming here, we have realized that, yeah, our products are of an international quality. And what we are doing there, those products are extremely sought after over here because as we have our backend in India, it is extremely inexpensive in terms of hiring the right manpower, hiring the right technology. And then when we come to countries like the USA, it is easier for us to give the best quality products and the best quality services at a price that is not as expensive as somebody would expect, a company to have, which has its backend right here in the country. So I would say, yeah, it is a very good time for Indian startups, especially in the US, in terms of expansion and then looking at their backend back home in India.
I have just one final question for you. So recently, the Prime Minister had launched the Make in India initiative. And since you are in that space of electronics and all that, how do you see the manufacturing industry having changed in recent times?
So we have seen the manufacturing industry, and that has given birth to a lot of startups and newer companies in the manufacturing sector. So until I would say 5-6 years back, a lot of startups were only coming up into the tech field, into applications and softwares. Yes. But in the last 5-6 years, we have seen a lot of startups coming up into sustainability, into manufacturing, into electronics. We are into printing and manufacturing merchandise as well, and it is I think it is a very good marriage between technology as well as physical products in India right now, because our respected Prime Minister has promoted Make in India and given us the opportunity as well as the ecosystem to have our own manufacturing and to have our own setups in the country as of now.
Thank you so much, Surashri. It was a pleasure talking to you. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the conference and all the best with your startup journey.
Thank you, Lakshmi, and it is my pleasure, being a part of Sitara TV. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.